Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed. This is my value stream map of an outpatient clinic. On the left we can see that the value stream map starts when the patient walks into the clinic, and on the right side is when the value stream map stops when the patient receives his prescribed medication. So on the left side, when the patient has arrived at the clinic, the first thing that happens is the patient is walking into the registration office, where there are three officers, and there's a line, and after the line the patient approaches the registration officer. Upon receiving information, the officer tells the patient that there's another registration office. So that process takes 2 minutes. The patient takes a 30-second walk, reaches the inner registration. There's a line again, and after the line, when the turn comes, the patient provides his information, that is name, insurance information, residential address, age, those sort of things. After that, the officer says the patient to wait. The whole process takes 3 minutes. So after a 90-minute wait, one of the GPs who gets free calls the patient. And so the GP consultation involves ear, nose, and throat examination. The entire process takes 5 minutes. The patient walks out of the office with a copy of prescription, and it takes a 30-second walk, reaches the pharmacy, presents the prescription copy to the pharmacist, and then the patient receives the prescription medication within 2 minutes. And as you can notice here, the 3 out of 4 process steps involve a flow of electronic information with an external process, which is the outpatient electronic health record. This arrangement replaces excess paperwork and therefore eliminates excess motion of staff, duplication, and errors. And what we can notice here is that throughout the process, um, the lead time is actually 103 minutes, uh, and the cycle time is like 12 minutes. And it's really interesting to see that the 90-minute wait did not involve any value over there. Usually what happens is the patient is waiting to be seen by a GP. Before that, the nurse would call the patient, do an initial assessment, so that information is provided via the outpatient EHR to the GP. But that didn't happen, and there was like a 90-minute wait. That, I think, is really interesting how that could be cut down. I'm also considering looking at the availability of GPs at that time. And as you can observe, the first 3 mechanisms are actually more of a push, um, and then the last bit is more of a pull. It's a pull because the pharmacy received the prescription order from the GP on the EHR. So by the time the patient reached the pharmacy with the script, the medications were ready to be dispensed. However, the pharmacy process step here does not highlight the processes between receiving the order and dispensing medications. Thanks very much for watching.